How to buy PEPE Ascensión or Ascension. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So this token, as you can see, the PEPE Ascension token came under the symbol of PEPE or PEEP, as you can see here in the X account. So this is the symbol of this token. So this token, it's available on pre-sale. If you click on their website here, so you will be able to redirect you to this page. So what you need to do here, it's easy and simple. Just click on connect wallet, select your wallet. For that I will use the Bitcoin wallet. For that, just click on connect to connect your wallet. So after you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, the BNB or RB or Ethereum. Now after that, here you will be able to select the network. So if you want to pay under the Ethereum network or BNB Smart Chain or RB, so after that, select the token that you want to buy with. For example, this is Ethereum, and here type how much you want to buy, but make sure you have enough Ethereum, of course, on your wallet. And after that, click on confirm. So if as you can see, I don't have any balance on my wallet. So for you, the pop-up will appear here on your wallet, and after that, go and complete the buy process to buy this token. So this is how to buy PEPE Ascension token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.